Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the 4.32 kilometer Lodu-Umuafai-Road Ahiaeke road construction that was flagged off on the 25th of March 2025. So you can see how far. In fact, the work for me is moving very fast. March and August now. We are in August now, but you can see how serious they are with the road construction. As you can see, the drainage is very solid and it's still going down. You can see the heavy duty machines, the trucks. Men at work, they are doing their job, trying to make sure they get the work done. If this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making our chance to watch my videos. So this is actually Lodu. This is actually Lodu. I mean Lodu right now. What you're seeing, is the road construction, the Lodu part, and down to Umuafai. So guys, watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. Almost all the roads leading to Ahiaeke and Ikotekbene road continuously, they are all under construction. Some have even been completed, like the IBB way, which was reconstructed. The Zie way was also reconstructed. Now this particular one, also Lodu, is under construction. I believe this is going to kind of decongest the road, reduce traffic, like the major road being a Ikotekbene road is going to reduce it. People can also now apply from different roads to get to Ikotekbene road. Maybe the people that are traveling to Akwa Ibom or going to Ikwano and the rest of them.